Hi guys, I created this nature flyer by using Photoshop. Let's get started. First I start the drawing with the help of brush tool. I created a pond landscape with the nature scenario. And take the path of each shape by using the pen tool. Save path and name it separately. If you can't find the path section, go to the windows and select path. And with the selection I started adding multiple color to the shapes. Just go with any single color theme. Move it a little bit to the left corner. Add some small bubble-like shapes in the flyer. In these part I started adding depth by using the drop shadow effect. From bottom to top I give the depth. In some areas I created manual shadows with the brush tool. Just add some little fish inside the pond. Change its color. Here I want a white tree, so I created it. Finally add the main text. As same as I created this page with more shapes. Drop the social media icon on the top corner. And also add the text in required place. Here is a result.